This is Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Estiva Cosmetic Clinic, Saket. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite surgery, that is blepharoplasty. So I guess this is a surgery where I always feel that it's a great way to reverse a person's age, and as I always tell my patients, eyes are not only the window to your soul, but also the most striking feature on your face which can actually take away years or give additional years. So जब भी मेरे पास पेशेंट कंसल्टेशंस के लिए आते हैं रिगार्डिंग आईलेट सर्जरी, आई ऑलवेज काउंसल देम कि एक बहुत रिवॉर्डिंग सर्जरी है, एंड ऑब्वियसली पेशेंट के कुछ फियर्स और एप्रीहेंशंस होते हैं सर्जरी के बारे में, जो आज इस वीडियो में वी गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट एंड हेल्प डिस्पेल सम मिथ्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स कम टू व्हेन टू गेट एन आईलेट सर्जरी डन. So the most common complaints regarding which a patient consults me when he or she plans an eyelid surgery is a chronically tired look. So patient will say that I slept for 8 hours, I eat well, I drink well, I keep myself hydrated, but yet I always have this dull, tired look on my face. And इसका most common cause होता है puffy eyes or eye bags or a droopy upper eyelid skin in the case of the upper eyelid. So ये सबसे कॉमन प्रॉब्लम होती है जिसके लिए पेशेंट्स मेरे पास आते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ वेयर वी काउंसल देम रिगार्डिंग अ ब्लेफरोप्लास्टी. Another common complaint is hollowness in the under eye area, which again makes the person look tired or aged. And the third complaint is of say a droopy eyebrow also, जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. So I'm basically discussing surgeries around the eye and the periorbital area which can be corrected using these surgeries. So first of all, how is this surgery done? So eyelid surgeries जो है ये एक short duration procedure है, depending on आपको सिर्फ lower eyelids की treatment चाहिए या आपको सिर्फ upper eyelid की treatment चाहिए, या you want a combination in which we treat all the four lids. It can be done under local anesthesia and it can be done under general anesthesia also. So suppose आप सिर्फ lower eye bags treatment चाहते हैं, then this can be very well managed under local anesthesia. The procedure time is about 1 hour to 1 hour 20 minutes. So first let's think of a scenario where the patient simply wants a lower eye bag surgery. कि puffy eye bags हैं और इनको patient चाहता है कि हम इनको treat करें. This procedure can be easily done under local anesthesia where we'll just numb that area, and in about a duration of 1 to 1.5 hours we're done with the eyelid surgery. The patient is ready to go back home in the next 2-3 hours. But in this scenario where the patient has a problem in the upper eyelid also, then obviously this becomes a surgery which involves all the 4 eyelids. तो इसको हम usually patient को counsel करते हैं कि in such a scenario it's better कि हम patient को एक short duration anesthesia दे दें जिससे कि उनको anxiety और panic ना हो. दो honestly ये भी हम local anesthesia में कर सकते हैं. So depending on the areas to be treated, we are going to counsel you regarding local anesthesia or general anesthesia. Second जो question है वो होता है इसका recovery time क्या होता है. So recovery time is something which I am very particular, especially when you're doing the lower eye bags. The patient needs to remember कि eyelid skin जो होती है बहुत thin होती है, बहुत sensitive होती है. That is why swelling and bruising जो है वो हो सकती है, वो बहुत normal है, patient को घबराना नहीं है. And up to 2 to 4 weeks of time can elapse before आपकी eyelids look normal and you're socially presentable. So I always counsel them कि अगर कोई त्योहार आ रहा है या कोई family function आ रहा है, so plan your eyelid surgery at least say 3 weeks in advance of such an important event. Upper eyelids behave much better. Upper eyelid में अगर droopy skin है तो बहुत आराम से within about a week 10 days you can resume all your activities and there is no apparent bruising or swelling. So that's something which you have to take into consideration. Now another kind of eyelid surgery which we do is the Asian eye fold creation or the double eyelid surgery. इसमें जो duration of swelling है it can last longer. It can almost take 2 to 3 months before the eyes look absolutely normal. So इसलिए again इसका downtime is a little more than the other 2 surgeries we've spoken about. Then comes the precautions कि आपने क्या क्या करना है, किस तरीके से आपने post operatively swelling को कम रखना है. One is the use of cold compresses, जिसे हम cold fomentation कहते हैं, using gel packs or ice packs, जिससे swelling जल्दी जाती है. The other is some anti-inflammatory medications जो हम आपको देंगे जिससे कि swelling जल्दी जाती है. Third is the use of certain medications like Arnica, जो हम patient को बोलते हैं कि वो pre-operative period से शुरू कर दें एंड कंटिन्यू करें पोस्ट ऑप में, जिससे कि ब्रूजिंग और स्वेलिंग जो है जल्दी जाती है. कुछ और प्रिकॉशंस है जो हम आपको लेने को बोलेंगे सर्जरी से पहले, कि अवॉइडेंस ऑफ अल्कोहल एंड स्मोकिंग, stopping certain medications like vitamin E, or if you're on aspirin you have to stop that. आपका blood pressure under control होना चाहिए. So सारे factors जब control में रहते हैं तो eyelid का जो recovery time है वो तकरीबन 2 to 4 weeks है. Also, there is nothing like bed rest. You can continue with all your normal activities. The only thing which we advise you against is heavy exercises or lifting weights or gymming. Other than that, आपके normal day-to-day routine activities में कोई restriction नहीं होती है. So then coming to the permanency of the results, this is again a very common question I get. eyelid surgery जो है बहुत long lasting result देती हैं. मैं permanent तो नहीं बोलूँगी because obviously aging does take over. But having said that, this result would last you at least 8 to 9 years अगर आपके lifestyle में कोई issue नहीं है, अगर आप adequate sleep है, आपकी जो food habits हैं वो सही हैं, then these results are pretty much long lasting and it can take away a good 5-7 years from your face. So it's a very rewarding surgery. The third question which I get asked very commonly is whether this is going to affect eyesight. So the answer is a big no. eyelid surgery में हम आपके जो vision वाली जो nerves हैं, जो नसें हैं, उनसे बहुत दूर हैं. So ये apprehension हर patient की होती है कि मेरी vision में कोई problem तो नहीं आएगी. This does not have any basis. We are just dealing with the skin, we are just dealing with the soft tissues. उसमें आपके हम vision को कहीं भी interfere नहीं करें. हाँ, शुरू के 1-2 दिन excessive tearing हो सकती है, थोड़ा सा आंखों में जलन सी रह सकती है, but it does not really impact your vision as such. So rest assured, this is not a surgery which is in any way going to bring about any visual disturbances whatsoever in the long term. Overall, as I said, it's a very rewarding surgery. I also combine this with a little bit of under eye fat grafting for hollowness, which gives you a very nice and refreshed look. And this is a procedure which, as I said, is going to be lasting much longer than fillers and other substitutes we might have for hollowness in the under eye area. And it's a very good procedure to combine with removal of eye bags to give you that perfect rejuvenated eye. So this is in a nutshell about eyelid surgeries, and I would highly recommend getting this done if you've been facing this issue because, as I said, it's a very small surgery, quick recovery, no blood loss, no pain and minimal downtime. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us and we'll be very happy to connect to you. Thank you.